Are you experiencing hair loss or thinning hair? Today, we're delving into a commonly asked question: does rosemary oil genuinely aid in promoting hair growth? Rosemary oil has been used for centuries for its potential hair benefits. Some believe that it can stimulate hair follicles, improve circulation, and prevent hair loss. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer: the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. It's crucial to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment regarding hair loss or any scalp-related concerns. Now, let's explore the benefits of rosemary oil for hair growth. While scientific research has yet to conclusively prove the effectiveness of rosemary oil for hair growth, there are notable benefits supported by science. Rosemary oil contains flavonoids, saponins, and bitter substances, which possess antioxidant, antibacterial, astringent, and toning properties. These components contribute to promoting skin well-being, stimulating microcirculation, and enhancing oxygenation at the root, ultimately strengthening the hair. Stimulate circulation. Improving circulation is key to promoting healthy hair growth. Rosemary oil contains rosmarinic acid and other phytochemicals like terpenes, which have been found to increase blood flow. These terpenes may interact with nerve cells that control blood vessels, promoting relaxation similar to the effects of minoxidil. When blood flow to the scalp is enhanced, it ensures that hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which are essential for hair growth. Think of your scalp as a garden. Adequate watering through improved circulation is vital for nurturing healthy hair follicles. While rosemary oil is one option, there are various methods, such as scalp massages, that can also boost circulation and support hair health. Strengthen hair structure. Improving hair structure is another claimed benefit of rosemary oil. According to research, it can fortify hair, reducing the risk of breakage and brittleness. While the repair of damaged keratin by rosemary oil lacks concrete evidence, it's believed that its ability to foster healthier hair is feasible, primarily due to the aforementioned properties. Regulate sebum. Excessive sebum production can lead to premature hair loss, a common occurrence with conditions such as seborrheic dermatitis. Rosemary oil is thought to play a role in regulating and balancing sebum levels. It's important to note that this property is shared by many botanicals. For example, tea tree oil and aloe vera also contain antioxidants that act as astringents, helping to regulate oil production by causing skin cells to contract. Let's look at side effects. When used correctly, rosemary oil generally doesn't cause irritation. However, it's important to be aware that skin irritation and contact dermatitis may still occur. It's advisable to avoid using rosemary essential oil if you are sensitive to it or its components, or if you have epilepsy, hypertension, or are pregnant. Always exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns before using rosemary oil. And that's not all. Let's also look at rosemary oil for dandruff. Rosemary oil can be effective in addressing dandruff due to its terpenes, which possess both antimicrobial and circulation-stimulating properties. It's essential to understand that dandruff isn't solely caused by a dry scalp. It can also result from a yeast fungus called malassezia. Reducing the presence of yeast on the scalp helps minimize inflammation and flaking, which are common symptoms of dandruff. Some commercial shampoos contain ingredients with anti-yeast properties to address this issue. Moreover, rosemary oil's antioxidants aid in reducing scalp inflammation, while glycolic acid promotes skin cell turnover. However, for those seeking a natural remedy, tea tree oil is often recommended as an alternative to rosemary oil. How to use rosemary oil for hair growth. To effectively use rosemary oil for hair growth, it's important to avoid using it in its pure form to prevent irritation. Instead, consider mixing a few drops of rosemary oil with your favorite shampoos, scalp masks, or spray lotions. This method allows for a gentler application while still reaping the benefits of rosemary oil. Remember to prioritize seeking advice from a dermatologist for personalized recommendations and treatment plans. Rosemary oil and its related products can complement authorized treatments for promoting hair growth and maintaining scalp health. That concludes our video on rosemary oil. I trust you found the information informative and beneficial. If you did, don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell for more content like this. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.